So recently, I've seen people post videos of their Sun Dolphin pedal boats, and since I don't make a lot of fishing videos, nor do I speak in a lot of my videos, I figured I'd make a video of mine. I also have other videos coming along. I'll post a video of the new fish that I recently got on Wednesday. I also got a couple video requests to do on my Severum and my Sanchezai Piranha, which I'll be posting in the next couple weeks. And I'm also working on another video since my last US native / gamefish compilation video got, last time I checked, over 22,000 views. I figured I'd make an updated one with just put more work into it, pretty much make it look nicer. So anyways, let's get started. So this is the Sun Dolphin Sun Slider 5-person pedal boat. It is 96 inches in length, 65 inches in width, 24.5 inches in height. It's 117 pounds and its weight capacity is 825 pounds. It's got 2, 4, 6 cup holders. It's also got a canopy. So I just have to scoot that over. It'll connect down. It'll connect down to this. The seats are adjustable, so let's see if I could get it with one arm. So it's got a built-in cooler. It's a little wet now because I left it on the back of the truck in the rain, so that's why there's water in here. So it's got 2 rod holders, which work pretty good. Sorry about that, I was interrupted. But anyways, the rod holders are pretty good, pretty sturdy. And once again, there are 2 of them. Even though it states that it's a 5-person pedal boat, it'll fit 2 people pretty good. The back is a little bit small, so depending on the size of the person, you'd have to move the seat halfway up or all the way up. And the boat is sturdy enough to stand up on the lure fish. It doesn't wobble at all. I paid $5.50 for it on the Walmart website. They do sell smaller ones for like $200 to $300, and it's a just 2-person, so just pretty much like this without the back. And the seats aren't adjustable though. And depending on the price, it would be if you want a canopy included or not. At the end of this video, I'll include a couple videos of some fishing that I've done on it. So here it is. There we go.